The following game contains jump scares of a cartoony nature that may be too intense for young children, die-hard adventure gamers, or those of poor or non-existent resource management skills. Those easily frightened or suffer from acute eclectrobia, Google it. Shouldn't play Cluckjäger, Planet of the Poltroids in tame mode. I'm not scared, let's play. Mommy, don't let the scary chickens get me. I'm not scared, let's play. Alright. What the heck is this? Ooh, doggy. Hey everybody, this is Mario X Gamer here, or Mike, whatever you want to call me. And welcome back to Cluckjäger in Escape from the Planet of the Poltroid. This is a FNAF inspired game, a FNAF inspired game that has knights in it. It's based off the old FNAF formula. And this game came out a while ago, but I figured I'd try and play it. But 2015 down there it says. But we're gonna start a new game.
Log entry. Cluckjäger. My ship was forced down by some kind of electromagnetic storm generated by Xanders. I don't like that guy. It'll take several days to make repairs.
Whoever the freak that is.
Unfortunately, the ship has unlimited auxiliary power, so I've got to keep a close eye on that energy meter and recharge the solar cells during the day.
Okay, why did this freeze on there?
Recharge the solar cells during the day.
I know. You already said that.
Boy, don't you
okay.
know, chickens can't fly.
Yeah, don't stop laughing.
You done gone and crashed
oh wow.
damn in front of my R&D facility. How fortuitous. You'll have to forgive my manners though for not pulling out the red carpet in person. You see, I'm currently off site for the grand opening of my newest BFC location.
Okay.
Don't you worry, Cluck. It looks like you'll be properly greeted soon enough by my welcoming committee.
What?
See, that little electrical storm I whipped up seems to be playing havoc with the containment system. It's just a matter of time before my product is running loose, looking for a snack.
Oh snap.
It looks like I'll have to spend my nights playing Poltroid peekaboo with the brood of my mutated cousins.
What? This is cannibalism. Why am I getting eaten? Let's scan. Oh, cameras. Whoops.
I managed to jack into BFC's security system, giving me a good look inside the place remotely.
Someone eating some chips in there?
That is some bodacious fried chicken. Howdy, folks. Welcome to my corporate kitchen. Now, something new and digit-licking tasty for my chain of restaurants throughout the galaxy. Unfortunately, we are closed today. Sorry, folks. Do come back and visit us again sometime now, you hear?
Okay. How do I see better? Do I use this? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh, never mind. Uses 5. Night vision uses less power than spotlight. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, there's one. There's a
The infrared
chicken.
sensor is great for spotting Poltroids in the dark and uses less power than the lights.
Okay.
Unfortunately, it doesn't do squat for discouraging their advance.
Whatever. So are they gonna make their way into my ship? It's 11 p.m. How long do I have to last till? Now it's 12. And I'm on 60% power right now. There's an egg there right now. That's what that crunching chip sound was. Ah, there's two of them. Oh, one of them left. Are they over there somewhere? Hold on. Does a lightning flash? No, it probably doesn't. Oh, I saw it. Oh, I saw it. What the heck am I playing? This is cannibalism. Why are my own kind trying to kill me? Dang you, Xanders, whatever your name is. They're officially in my ship now. Don't mess with my ship anymore. My frames are already dropped enough as they are. It's probably because of all the stuff that's broke everywhere. Is that little chubby one anywhere? Oh, is that it? Oh, snap. There you are. Dang, man. Oh, it's gone. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Check the doors. Oh, jeez. They're moving. Keep checking the doors. Keep checking. What's this shield? Okay, that's cool. Just check the doors. Alright, nobody's here yet. Check the doorways. No. Double check again. Let me. Bro, they're nowhere. Uh-oh. They won't stop moving. They won't. Crap! Come on. There's nobody here yet. Nobody. Where are they at? I can't look because every time I do look at the camera, static comes in and I don't know where they are anymore. Watch. I'll look around and then here comes the static. Yep. I saw the little chubby one though. So, whoa. Is there something down there? I heard something. Keep checking the doors. I'm hearing something. These sounds do not. Oh, there's something on my left, isn't there? Ah! Close the door. Close. Alright, nobody on my right, though. 6 a.m.? What the heck, bruh? Alright, there's the little chubby one. He's in the engine room, just walking around, I guess. But the iron-looking faced one is on my left door right now, so I don't know how to know when they're away. I might just look back into the place. So what the freak? Oh jeez, something coming. I heard something. Close the door. Close the thing. Oh my god. It was daytime.
Log
Oh, never
entry,
mind. Sorry.
Jaeger. I survived the night. Of course I did. Because I'm a survivor. Thank you, Destiny's Child. The
Oh my
ever
gosh.
treated for now.
Oh,
Apparently,
Destiny's
they don't
Child.
like light. I'll have to use the short days to make repairs, which by computer estimates will take 7 cycles. Oh, great. I hate prime numbers. I just gotta survive Xander's Poltroids the next 6 nights. Jaeger out.
7 nights. I'm dead. Oh wow. Okay, I guess I'll do this night. Alright, it's a little less laggy now because the things aren't flipping everywhere. Alright, let's scan the place and we'll get into the BFC's place. Alright, let's check. Okay, Egg is still having a seizure. So we got Wingnut. Oh, that's Plucky. Okay, the chubby one's Plucky. I don't know who that is. And we got Firewood. It's already 9 p.m. Dang. Hours fly fast in this show. Or game. Oh, there's somebody there, right? You have so the bright light pauses them, like it stops them? Is that what he said? Hold on, let me check the cameras, make sure nobody's here. No. Let me look. Oh, there's the big buff one. Try it.
The camera lights seem to stop dead in their tracks. For a little while anyway. But the lights, cameras, doors, everything drains power. So I've got to conserve as much as possible. If I run out of power before dawn, well then, it's game over.
Done. Well, duh. Did you break in the fourth wall because you were in a video game? When do I have to use this? The shield. I don't know. Anyway. There's the big buff one. Anybody in my ship yet? does not look like it yet. It's 12 a.m. I can't tell because the light won't stop shutting off. Maybe it's the thunder. When's it gonna stop raining? He said he made the storm, but when's it gonna stop? Can it just not rain so I can see? Oh! Everything's shut. Open it all up. Open the door up. Open the shield up. There we go. Don't want to waste too much power. What the heck was that? Thunderstorm was what? This game's gonna be. Uh-oh, I have to rescan it. Is anybody at my door? In my ship? There's fire. There's fire. I'm dead. I'm gonna die. I have 56 power and it's only 2 a.m. Why did I use the stupid, what's it called? Why did I use the, bright light on the big fat buff one? I can't tell where anybody is because the light won't, the static won't go away every time I look at the cameras. Oh, come on. Stop. Oh crap, I'm dead. I'm gonna die. 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 Because I don't know where anybody is. I can't check the cameras ever. There's somebody in front of me. I just saw that. I'm gonna keep checking the doors. Skip the cameras. There's no Foxy anyway, so I guess I'm good. Keep checking the doors. Keep checking. Can't ever check the freaking. What are they doing to my ship? This thunder is not helping either. That lightning strikes on me again. I'm gonna kill it. I'm gonna kill it. 2 more hours. 2 more hours. And these nights are so fast. There's something in front of me. I saw it. I'm dead. They're all in my ship. Oh crap! Get the door shut. Somebody in front of me over there? No. I have 25% full power. Close all the doors. Close. Crap! They're in my ship doing crap. I don't even know what they're doing.
Uh-oh. Auxiliary power is getting back.
I'm very aware of that. Crap, somebody's banging on my shield. I don't care if I can't see the sunlight. I'm keeping it all shut.
Log entry. I survived night 2 on this freak farm without becoming Poltroid chow. Repairs are on track with estimates. But that giant-sized egg is starting to worry me.
What?
Now I know what BFC really stands for. Big frickin' chicken. Jaeger out.
Oh no. Night 3. Alright, well, we'll see who it is in the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to slap an X on that dislike button and subscribe and to join the X Squad, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.